everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of starting your affiliate marketing journey on Pinterest. Pinterest is a phenomenal place to start as an affiliate marketer for 3 reasons. It doesn't require any sort of social media following. It doesn't require you to show your face. And it is extremely low cost to get started. We'll cover everything from selecting a product to creating engaging pins and setting up your landing page. Let's dive in. Before we dive into today's content, take a moment to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon. Today in this video, we are going to cover why Pinterest is a great platform for affiliate marketers, how to find the absolutely best products to promote on Pinterest, how to optimize your Pinterest account for maximum exposure and eyes on your products, what free and easy-to-use app you can use to create scroll-stopping pins in literally just minutes that actually convert customers, and finally, how to convert those leads using a landing page and an email autoresponder. Choosing the right affiliate product. First and foremost, we need a product to promote. For this example, let's consider a keto diet product. I've chosen this niche because it's popular, and there's a significant audience on Pinterest interested in health and wellness. There are literally so many ways to find amazing affiliate products. But if you truly don't have any idea where to start, I would suggest an affiliate marketplace. So here we are, and these are 8 of the best affiliate networks that you can promote in 2023. So if you've never heard of these before, you can check all of them out. A few of the most popular ones are Digistore24, Impact.com, and then the one that we're going to be using today, which is ClickBank. Affiliate product research. There are generally 3 main categories you want to promote in, which are health, wealth, and relationships. Personally, I like to add a 4th category, which is pets. I feel like it's very underrated, and people are willing to spend a lot of money on their pets these days, so I think it's one that gets overlooked a lot, but you should highly consider it. Today, I'm going to choose something with high audience interest, specifically on Pinterest, which is the health and fitness, and more specifically, the weight loss category. So first off, why Pinterest? Why is Pinterest such a great platform for affiliate marketers? Pinterest has a huge audience. They have over 440 million active users each and every month. Also, Pinterest users have the intent to buy. 85% of weekly users have made a purchase from Pinterest pins, and 80% of Pinterest users are women. To sign up on ClickBank, go to the left menu and select Affiliate Marketplace. Choose a niche, like health and fitness, specifically weight loss, for high Pinterest audience interest. Aim for a slightly broad niche to allow promotion of multiple products. In the affiliate marketplace, search for keto, then filter by gravity score, conversion rate. The top offer is custom keto diet with a gravity score of 111.72, average earnings per conversion. This high-converting product makes it suitable for Pinterest promotion. Once logged in with your ClickBank ID, navigate to the affiliate offers resource page. Evaluate available resources such as a Facebook group for communication. Generate your affiliate link by clicking Generate ClickBank Hop Links and entering your ClickBank account name. In the profile section, consider adding a photo, using Canva for free images. Choose keywords for your profile using tools like Canva and referring to the company's provided list. Utilize vertical lines to separate keywords for industry best practices. Generate your hop link by entering relevant information and copy-pasting it into a document. Explore the affiliate offers resources, including upsell flow and promotional guidelines. Note the importance of a landing page to capture customer emails for retargeting. Review customer demographics to understand the target audience. Explore landing pages provided by the company, or learn how to build your own. Leverage lead magnets, provided keywords, and email swipes to enhance your affiliate marketing efforts. Take advantage of additional resources such as videos that can be repurposed for Pinterest. With these tools, you can effectively promote the affiliate product and build a successful affiliate marketing business. Now we have our product, we know it's great, we have all of our resources, it's time to hop into Pinterest. So I've already gone ahead and created an account. It's pretty explanatory. You're going to need an email and password, but the vital thing to know here is that you need to create a business account. You can see up here how it says business account. This is really important because it's going to give you insight into your analytics later on as you start creating pins. You'll know what's working, so you can really target your efforts to be most effective. Weight loss and self-love, and if I wanted to kind of go a little bit further, I could probably do something about fitness. And then here, we're also going to want to use keywords to fill in about us. Right now, I want to be clear, you don't want to keyword stuff, meaning you don't want to just put random keywords. You need to make it flow and sound like Pinterest. The company themselves say, do not keyword stuff. So don't just put random keywords in there. Write a sentence, write a story, so that it makes sense. This is also going to stand for the descriptions of our boards and our pins. For website, this is where you can put your landing page to whatever product you're promoting right now. Later on, when you have multiple products, you can do like your storefront and things like that, where you can have multiple links. But it's really important, you want to put that there because that's also going to tell Pinterest that you're a legit company. It helps you rank higher in their search results. Any other information that you want to put in here, you can just realize that it's going to be public, so be aware of that. And then we just save. So here we are, it looks good. We have our name, we have our little profile picture. I put a little banner up there as well. You can just edit that right here. This all just makes it look more professional. And we obviously don't have anything here yet. I'm going to show you how to pin things, but first, we need to go and actually create the pin. Create engaging Pinterest pins quickly using Canva. Opt for templates with bold fonts and numbers for better performance. In Canva, select Pinterest Pin Template, 1000 by 1500 or 1080 by 1920. Use easy-to-read, bold fonts and incorporate numbers for added appeal. Utilize Canva's templates or customize with your preferred background image. Remember to maintain diversity among your pins to avoid being flagged as spam by Pinterest. Change up verbiage, fonts, and images for each pin. Use free stock photos from websites like Pexels or consider Creative Fabrica for a wider variety of options. Creative Fabrica is a paid resource. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently create eye-catching Pinterest pins for effective affiliate marketing. Alright, we've got our graphic and our hop link ready. Let's create our first pin on Pinterest. Click on Create and then Create Pin. Heads up, Pinterest is transitioning to a single type of pin, so don't worry about the different pin types. Stick to Create Pin. Now, you're on Pinterest with a business account, board set up. Comment below if you want a more detailed optimization video. I want to make content that helps you. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Quick tip, for a successful affiliate marketing business, you'll need a landing page and an email autoresponder. ClickFunnels and Aweber are popular, but they can be pricey, especially for beginners. I've got two budget-friendly alternatives, System.io at $27 per month and Flowdesk at $35 per month, or $19 with my discount code. Flowdesk is my personal favorite, it's sleek, user-friendly, and perfect for Pinterest aesthetics. Use what fits your budget and style. Alright, let's dive into the Flowdesk magic. First up, create a stunning landing page, or as Flowdesk calls it, a form. Super easy, plug in your visuals, match the pin's vibe, and ask for their name and email. Don't forget to redirect to the parent company's page using your hop link. Once they've signed up, it triggers a workflow. They get an email with a freebie, and the follow-up begins. A series of engaging emails with the right touch, using those swipe files we talked about earlier. Personalize, highlight your hop links, and watch the magic happen. And we are ready to create our first pin. So we're going to go down here into Create Pin, and here on the left is where we're going to upload the pin that we created earlier in Canva. In here, I've typed in things that are going to match what our visual is saying, so that it's coherent for the customer also using our keywords. And then same within the description, I'm trying to make it sound natural, not keyword stuff, but get that some of those more of those keywords in there so that ranks high on optimization. And then here in the destination link is where we're going to put our Flowdesk link or your System.io link or your ClickBank link, your landing page or link, not your hop link. Right? We want to be the middleman between the pin and the final destination where they're going to purchase something first off, so we don't get banned from Pinterest. And second off, so we can capture that email and actually have a business, right? So this is where we're going to put the link to our landing page. Now we're going to go ahead and press save or publish. The pin is good, and we are set up. Okay. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. I hope that today's video was of value to you and really helped you get started with your affiliate marketing business on Pinterest. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.